Hey guys, Knife Detector here, and I thought I would interrupt the Sunfish Elephant Toe series I was doing with this guy. This guy cost me 10 bucks on eBay, and what I really liked about it was the sheath and carrying system. What this is this is an old-timer Schrade Cutlery interchangeable knife set. I don't know if it has a specific name or a model number, because I didn't see a model number on this thing. There's not many of them on eBay listed, but the ones that are cost around 40 bucks. This is used, so it does have a couple of defects that I'm going to show you. For example, it's missing a screw right there, but it's kind of interesting. I wanted to let you guys know it was out there, so I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Let's look at the sheath first. So it's got this cool sheath. It's a heavy-duty type of nylon. It's got this Velcro strap. In here, there are some interchangeable blades. Let me take them out. Here we have this really nice drop point blade, kind of like a saber grind. Here we have the saw, which is pretty functional, that I've noticed. And it's missing a blade. It's supposed to have a fillet knife blade, but that's missing. And check that out. Doesn't that look pretty cool? So the way you change it out is you pick up this lever, and then it's a lock back design. So you depress this, picks up the spring, pull it out, switch blades, depress the spring, insert, push down this lever, that locks it into place, and it's locked into place. Now this does move slightly around, not too much, so if that bothers you, then this is not the kit for you. But check out that, pretty cool, huh? Let's see if we can do something with it. Okay guys, since I mentioned earlier, this is going to be just a break on my series that I'm doing on elephant toe knives, because I know that you guys get bored with the same thing all the time. So check this guy out. Got this for $10 on eBay, like I said earlier. In the previous segment, you saw me cutting some cactus, and I'm going to cut that into strips and put it on the grill in a little bit. And the reason I wasn't doing too much talking during that segment is because I got nosy neighbors and I could hear some stuff in the background, and I just don't like them being in my business. So because of that, I didn't talk too much. But check out this blade. This blade looks like it would be really good for skinning. This has sharpened this some. It came really dull, which tells me that whoever had this before did use it quite a bit. Like I said, this is a used knife, so it is missing a couple of screws here. Like there's one it's missing. There's another that it's missing, and there's another. But it's still pretty functional, and very functional actually. But if it bothers you that it moves around a little bit, then this is not the one for you. It's got a gut hook right there, because I think that's just the way it's designed. See, it's not coming out because this lever holds it in place, and it's got a lockback system, just like I showed you earlier. And it locks it in place pretty firmly, so we can switch the blades out. This is missing a blade. I believe it used to come up with a fillet knife blade as well, but I didn't get that in the deal I got on eBay. I think that may be one of the reasons I got it so cheap. Like I said before, you can find this for around 40 bucks on eBay. But I still like the shape of that skinning blade very much. I mean, that's good for a lot of things, cutting meat, other things as well. But the blade I really like is that other one that I was using right now for the cactus. When I was cleaning the cactus. It's this drop point blade. It's a little bit dirty because I haven't really cleaned it from doing that. As you can see right there, it says Schrade Cutlery. And it's got this saber type grind here. It's pretty good. Like I said, all you have to do is depress this, insert it, it clicks in, and then you lower this lever and that locks it further into place. And it's got some really heavy duty jimping here, as you can see. And I don't know how you would even search for something like this on eBay, because honestly, to find this, I just did a random search, but I went back to look for it, and it just says Interchangeable Schrade Cutlery knife set or something like that. Just some random words, and something popped up. But like I said, right now there's just one of these on eBay right now. And it's pretty cool. I like it. This sheath is actually kind of nice because it's, like I said earlier, it's a heavy-duty type of nylon, and it's got this special pouch which is reinforced with plastic, and this is a heavy-duty plastic for that one blade right here. It's got this snap to hold it in place, and it's got this dangle system right here. The dangles pretty well. I'm wearing shorts today, so I'm not going to show you how that looks. But in a little bit, you know, I'm going to cut those cactus into strips. I'm going to toss it in the grill when I start cooking a little bit of meat. And then I'm going to use those little cactus strips, maybe in a little taco I'm going to make when I eat, a little bit of salt. You know, I just wanted to use this as an example to show you some cutting, some actual cutting with this knife right here. And right now, it is Sunday. So when you see this video, it will not be Sunday anymore. So I hope, my friends, that you had a fabulous Sunday. I hope you're having a fabulous time with your family this weekend. Spend time with your family, guys. Take care. God bless. So the next part of the video, you're likely going to see the results of the cactus cooking in the grill. Might just end it that way. But I wanted to show you this because I wanted to show you it's not, my channel is not just about one kind of knife. You know, it's just I've been doing a little bit of a series lately. And this is not what you would call a fixed blade. It's interchangeable. But I wanted to let you know it was out there, guys. And I hope you guys are doing well. Y'all take care. This is the Knife Detector. Keep your knives sharp, and keep your wits even sharper. Dinner is served, guys.